Hey everyone, so today we'll be doing an unboxing and a basic setup of this X70 cordless phone by Beetel. So let's open the box and see what we've got inside. Okay, so the first thing that we have in here is the handset, which is come in a nice little plastic bag, and yeah, it also has a plastic wrapping on top of it. So overall the handset looks pretty nice. It's light in weight, and on the back side these are some initial use instructions that you need to follow. So yeah, the handset looks pretty cool, so let's keep this away. And the next thing that we have in here is the docking station. So basically this is the main unit where your telephone cable will be connected, and this will also be used to charge the handset. So yeah, this is how you will place it, and then the charging will happen. And this looks quite nicely built as well. And now we've got a standard telephone cable. So this will basically connect to your telephone connection, the wall port in your house, and then it will connect to the docking station. And then we've got these rechargeable batteries. So these days, instead of providing those block-like batteries, you get standard NiMh rechargeable batteries. So these are easy to replace when they go bad. And yeah, that's pretty neat. Yeah, so you get a set of two, and these are 600 mAh NiMh batteries. And then this is the adapter that you'll be connecting to the docking station. It will power on the docking station and also give it the ability to charge the handset or the batteries. And finally, this is the user manual. It has got almost everything to set up the device and also to troubleshoot if required. So the manual is pretty useful on that front. Alright, so now let's take a look at the physical setup of these things. So the first thing that we're going to do is put the batteries into the handset, and ensure that you check the positive and negative ends properly, and then insert the batteries. Okay, so that's done. And now on the handset, you'll see that the display has turned on. It's showing as out of range, but that's okay because the main docking station is not yet connected. And now comes the part of attaching the telephone cable and the adapter to the docking station. Yeah, so this is a standard cable that you've got. And at the bottom of the docking station, you'll find a port for that shows an icon of the telephone, and the other one is for the adapter. So let's plug in the telephone cable. And now we'll connect the power cable. So as I mentioned before, the telephone cable will run into your wall port where you have your telephone connection, or it will go into the router if you have a broadband connection that supports voice calling. So this is done, and now let's power on the docking station. Now when you place your handset on this docking station, you'll notice that the charge light is turned on, and this is turned on because it has gone into a charging mode. So let's leave it like this. Okay, so now that we've done the physical connections and the handset is on, let's go ahead and connect the telephone cable. So this cable, I am going to connect it to my Wi-Fi router, since my broadband connection supports telephone calling, and this is the Airtel Extreme Fiber connection that I'm using. So I'll be connecting the telephone cable to the telephone jack on the router. So yeah, that's pretty much done. Now we have all the connections set up. So let's try dialing a number from the handset. Actually, I'm just going to give a missed call on my cell phone, and then call on this number from my mobile phone. So now I'm dialing my phone from my mobile phone, and there you go, you've got the call on this handset. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions about this product, do post them in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe to my channel.